Hello, my name is Charmel Hines, and I'm going to show you how to utilize liveworksheets.com. This is one of my favorite online multimedia tools to use, and yeah, I swear by it. It is useful for any type of information that one wants to present or review with students. It's a good study resource for students as young as maybe 2 or 3 years old up to as 100 years old. It's as useful for students as well as professionals. Anyone who's training for anything at any level can utilize this site. So let's get into it. I'm going to go right to this about this site because they have captured the use of this in words that I think are so great. So let's say it says Live Worksheets allows you to transform your traditional printable worksheets, doc, PDF, JPEG into interactive online exercise with self-correction, which we call interactive worksheets. So in this experience, usually we give students the options to use, traditional worksheets. We can connect those PDFs to different websites. This allows them to actually utilize it, complete the assignment online, and I find this to be really useful. So let me just show you what I'm talking about. Interactive worksheets. This you can search by topic. So I've been working with some students on the different types of matter. So this is a search topic that I've already done. So let's go to reversible and irreversible changes of matter. So you can see there's plenty of users that have already prepared their own resources or own worksheets, and you can utilize them. You can edit them. So I'm gonna pick up one here. Sorry. So reversible, irreversible changes. Matter of fact, I think I actually used this sheet. So the student can put their information in, and we can actually, the teacher can receive uh, the completed worksheet. So there's many different ways. So once they complete it, they press finish. That's the interactive way of utilizing it. But this is the feature that I find to be so cool. Now, when it comes to using this site, you can go in and choose this without choosing to prepare a login, but some of the features require a login. So for example, if you want to download a PDF of the sheet, you would have to be logged in. I already have a username, and so I'm going to go ahead and just log in here. So if I wanted to make a PDF of that interactive worksheet so that students can either print it and prepare it, in the traditional sense, they have that option. Also, if the teacher wants to prepare it, make copies for the whole class, you have that option as well. But one of my favorite uses is the workbook option. So if I like this and I want to add some workbooks, right now I already have a workbook called Solar System. Obviously that wouldn't fit in that workbook. But if I wanted to add it there, I would simply just add the worksheet to, I'm sorry, you would have to select the workbook that you've prepared, and then you add that worksheet to the book. I want to show you for a second how you actually make a workbook. So they provide a tutorial, and then you just get started. So I've already made the one workbook, and so if I wanted to make a new one, let's just say I want to do matter, and let's just say second grade. I did a unit on second grade matter. I actually didn't do a workbook with them for this, but so I'm making a new workbook here. So this workbook that I prepared, I can, customize it if I want to, add more worksheets to it. I can do that through adding the content, changing the title, grading options. So let's just look there. For the grading options, you can specify how you want it to be graded and so on. I particularly like the part about assigning the students. Now, I have not utilized it for my class student assignments, but you can create your own students will have their own login that you can assign to them, which is pretty cool. And then they'll have access to the workbooks and everything that they need right there at their fingertips. Now, I want to show you another part when it comes to languages. So I love that we have, I speak a couple different languages, and I just love this. Let's see, let's do Farsi. So as you can see, we have various levels that people have put in worksheets for. So the opportunities for this resource are endless. I do like also that you can share it on different types of social media. So if you find something that's useful that may help the community that you have access to, it'll be good to share. And then the other thing that I wanted to show you guys is yeah, just there's subscription based options available as well. So it can be a free free resource, or it can be a subscription. You can have, it can be as customizable as you'd like it to be. So I hope that you enjoy this tutorial and that you take advantage of using interactive worksheets. I know that your students will really enjoy the experience. Um, uh, Thank you for your time.